To start the projector, press the power button. Wait until the projector is on before pressing one of the source buttons to display on the projection screen. The sources include the instructor PC, a laptop, or a document camera. To blank the projection screen, press the blank screen button. To unblank the screen, press the blank screen button again. To adjust the volume from the PC or laptop, press the volume up and volume down buttons. To mute the audio, press the mute button. To unmute the audio, press the mute button again.